Okay.
Good morning, guys. Today, my 37th birthday. I'm gonna go back to sleep.
No.
Alright, guys. I guess it's time for me to get up. Today is my birthday. I need some coffee.
Mama.
What am I gonna do today?
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy.
Happy birthday, Dada!
Joshua, what'd you get me?
A heart. Happy birthday, Gerber! I love you more than anything in this world. Did you get your SCAR 20? Oh, I just transferred to your account.
Hello. It's my birthday.
Dad, Mom messaged you.
What? It's my birthday. For my birthday, I just want to pinch my kids.
Me too. No, in the body. Pinch me in the body.
Bring me the lamp. Let me rub it. For my first wish,
No,
I wish to go swimming. Let's swim.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Okay, guys, this is the scene from Aladdin where Aladdin gets pushed off. No running or diving, but it's my birthday, so I can whoa. All right, guys, we're done swimming. Here, hold it. Here, let me make a wish. This is my birthday. For my next wish, I wish to eat in peace. See this, guys, right here? This right here is a bacon wrapped burger. You want anything better? Just wrap it in bacon. Can you wear a bacon dress? But we're gonna have to go get some more. Old fashioned. Okay, now I'm full. Wish number 3. Genie, I wish to be free from all these kids and my wife. Peace out, guys. We're free. See ya. How you doing, Jeremy? No, I'm doing pretty good. How about yourself? Yeah, just over here, you know. Yeah, me too.